Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Adidas Originals Deerupt runner shoes. It's the new series that just came out. I'd like to thank Adidas for sending this out to me. These were sponsored, by the way. They sent out another thing a few days ago, which was like a teaser. It was like an AR version of the shoe, and yeah, I tried that out. That was pretty cool. You basically download the app, scan the barcode that they send, whatever it's called, that square thing, QR code, and it comes up with like a AR thing on your phone that you download, and you can see the shoe. So yeah, this is the actual shoe itself. I believe they sent me the black version. Hope they did, as that is what they emailed me about. So yeah, so as you can see already, the box is a bit damaged. Oh well, it's free, I can't really complain. So yeah, this is the shoe itself. The box is blue, the normal Adidas box it is. Tell me what you think about the camera quality, by the way guys. This is a new camera, so let me know what you think. I'm using a Note. Oh, that's cool. Sorry guys. I'm using a Note 8 at the moment. Normally I record using a Note 4. So let me know about the quality of the video. And yeah, so we've got a bit of damage there. 3 lines that they normally have, the 3 stripes. Adidas Originals 3 white stripes, like I said. Adidas there, the brand with 3 stripes. That's very damaged there. Oh well. Adidas Originals, Adidas Deerupt runners. Okay, so this is the black. Yeah, it's pretty much the black version, and it's size UK 10. This is my size, I'm UK 10. But people have said to go one size up, not full size but half a size, because it's a snug, really snug fit. So yeah, let's go ahead and look inside. This is the shoe itself. You ready guys? Bam. Oh shit, I got that in one go. Yeah, so this is the shoe itself. Wow, look at that. What are your first impressions when you see that, guys? They're pretty nice, aren't they? Ooh. So yeah, they remind me of like a Pharrell Williams tennis shoe. Got the same shape to it, and the mesh, like it has the mesh at the front on the tennis shoes. So yeah, let me just look back. Alright, so this is the shoe itself. Can you see guys? Very nice. Oh, that is rock hard guys. So it's definitely not got ultra boost or anything, but it's very strong. Oh shit, look at that. Really like it. So the design is very nice. As you can see, this is the black version. You got a white mesh all over. Very stretchy mesh, very good that is. And yeah, let me just take this out. This is the Adidas OrthoLite that they always use. Oh shit, very thin. I didn't realize it was this thin, guys. But yeah, on the holes on this, you can't really even tell the holes are there. Can you see where my hand is? That's pretty cool. I like that. So yeah, this is the Adidas insole, which is the OrthoLite one. This one actually looks like upgraded version. I've never seen something like this before. It's a bit indented and outdented here, so I don't know if that'll be comfy or not. So we'll have to find that out. And yeah, I'll just show you this. So it's like all Adidas shoes. They don't have any hard shell to it. It's just basically how it is. It's not main thing itself. So yeah, it's nothing hard basically apart from the bottom bit. So yeah, let's have a look at the front of the shoe. So the front of the shoe, sorry, can't fit this all on camera. This camera has 2 cameras, so I don't know. There you go. I can zoom in like that, zoom out. So when I press that button now, we'll zoom into the second camera, which it has 2 times optical zoom basically, without losing any quality, which is pretty cool to be honest. So I can go right up into this detail right now. Watch this. Look at that. So this is the front of the shoe. As you can see, they got some diamond stuff there. What the fuck? That's a bit dirty. Don't know what that is. It's not sticky though, I'm not sure. But yeah, white mesh there with the black skin, with the black laces. That looks pretty cool. Need to sort out the laces though. Side of the shoe looks nice as well. Got this black rim to go around with it. The back is black as well. It's not reflective at all, the shoe. It does feel quite soft, to be honest. Oh, I didn't realize that comes off. That's pretty cool. Oh shit, we got Adidas 6 400. Oh, Got some random numbers. I don't know what these numbers mean. Anyone can figure it out, let me know. And then this side's actually got blue on, which is pretty cool. It looks like a sellotape though, if you look closely. I don't know why I do that. I could just press this button and you can look at it. There you go. Yeah. I guess, and this is rock hard. It's not ultra boost or anything, so it's not going to be as comfy on the bottom half. But that's not an issue. Let's look at the bottom. Damn. It's got a bit of groove, so it will have a bit of grip. It's more grippy than most XPLR series, Swift runs, basically anything. And I really like it. It's pretty cool. The bottom is really nice. Very good design at the bottom. Just look at that. Looks professional. Yeah. So these are about £80, I think. $79.95. But with a student discount, you can get it down quite a bit. And if you got a, I might be able to get you a discount code as well, which should get you further. So probably about 25%. So yeah. And basically, what I think they should do with this is, I've not seen it yet because I've seen the shoes that they do of this series. It's basically all white mesh with different color. The bottom and the skin underneath, and this as well. What they should do in the next set of them, change the mesh color. That would be pretty cool. You can even do multicolor mesh. That would be even better. Like have this part one color up to there, this part going all the way around, different color. It'd be pretty sick. This, and they can do as much as they want to it, because they can't run out of ideas with this, because you can do whatever you want. You can have each line being a different color if you want. Anything could be done because they've added in a lot of extra stuff. And yeah, I'll get those shoe out so you can have a look at both of them. Nothing else in the box. Packaging's a standard Adidas logo packaging. Yeah, there's nothing else in the box. And I'll put these on my feet in a second. Let me just get these two shoes on this camera. Okay. Oh shit. OrthoLite, like I said. Nothing else there. Let me take this out. Wow. By the way, if you don't know that, it's just to keep the shoe form while it's in the box and on packaging and stuff. So yeah. Otherwise it wouldn't come like this right now. It'd be squished. More squished than he is. But yeah. So yeah, look at the shoes, guys. Pretty nice, aren't they? Decent for 80 quid, aren't they? It's a very odd design as well. Like you've never seen it before. And I've said before, it reminds me of the Pharrell Williams tennis shoe, because of the part of the mesh here and then the shape of it. This is the actual shape of the Pharrell shoes, and they're pretty much a similar price. You can get the junior version of this for about 50 quid as well. Also, I forgot to say thank you Adidas for sending this out to me. I did mention it at the start, but I didn't thank them, so thank you guys for sending this out to me. I wasn't expecting another sponsorship video, as my last sponsored one was XPLRs, I think, which was basically low-end type shoe, which this is again. So thank you for sponsoring me just in general. So yeah, appreciate that. Guys, I'm gonna put these on now. Hopefully they feel good. I'll tell you how they feel. 1 second, guys. Alright guys, count how long it takes me to put these on. They're actually quite comfy from what I've already put in. Fucking hell, guys. Very tight fit. It's definitely 0.5 go up. Bloody hell, guys. Yeah, you're definitely gonna need to go 0.5 up. But once you're inside, the shoe is fine. Like it fits me fully now. And then when I tighten it, it'll be even better. Because the shoelaces are untied at the moment. I might tie them up just so I can get a nice thumbnail as well. So yeah, let me plug these ones in. You know what, I'll do it right now. Hold on. Now guys, it took me a long time to do this. So I will put them on and I'll put them lights on just for you guys. Hold on. Alright guys, I don't know if I've laced them properly, but they seem to be okay at the moment. I'm gonna put the camera down a bit so you can see the shoes better. So these are the shoes. Bam! Look at them shoes, guys. What do you think, guys? Did they look nice? This is what it looks like on feet, guys. This is the back. Other side. Put it up a bit. Wow, look at them. They're actually pretty nice, aren't they, guys? Right, so honestly, These are very comfy. Very hard to get into, but they're very comfy. Once you're inside, it fits you properly, fits you well. The only thing is your toes are right to the edge. Can you see my toes moving? Right to the edge. So it's definitely true to size. So I'd say get 0.5 up. Half a size up, basically. So if you're 10, like me, get 10.5. You'll be alright in terms of getting in and out of the shoe as well. Because that's very difficult as well. And what I really like about this design is that blue thing there. It really stands out. There's another version of this one with the white laces and black in general here. But then you have a blue tab here. So it looks pretty cool as well. Go check that out. I'll leave a link in the description for this version, so you can go buy that as well. I'll try to get your discount. Put the promotional code in the description. If the code doesn't work, then Adidas probably got rid of it because too many people have used it. Because I'm not sure how many people are allowed to use my code. But yeah, so yeah, look how nice they are. I might make a thumbnail now. Are you ready, guys? But take my shoes off and that. Very easy to slip out of. Very hard to get in though. So yeah. Alright guys. So this is the thumbnail. Whoa, look at them. They actually look fucking nice, don't they? You can get it right there. That's gonna be my thumbnail, guys. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'll see you guys next time. If you want me to unbox anything, please let me know. Thank you Adidas again for sending this out to me. I'm guessing they will give me another pair for free to give away like last time. So look forward to that, guys, and subscribe. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.